Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to bring you After Dark Clean, and this video is in collaboration with my lovely friend Raysa here on YouTube. I'm going to let her introduce herself, and then we are going to get into this cleaning motivation.
Hey you guys, my name is Raysa. My channel name is Raysa Michelle, mom of 4. And on my channel, you will find lots of cleaning motivation, room makeovers, hauls, and just mommy lifestyle content. So if you are interested in that kind of content, then I hope you'll come over to my channel and definitely make sure to subscribe. Make sure that when you're done watching Tanya's video, you check out her description box where you'll find a link to my channel. And don't forget to leave a comment down below letting me know that she sent you.
Okay, you guys, make sure you go and show Raysa's channel a whole lot of love. And I'm pretty sure you're going to enjoy her content. So right now I am vacuuming the rug, and then I'm going to proceed to put the chairs back. So I'm going to take a Clorox disinfectant wipe and wipe down the microwave to get rid of any germs. And then I'm going to put away the seasonings and then start to put away dinner. We say goodbye until it hurts. I know that feeling. So hey, if you're coming from Raysa's channel, hello, my name is Tanya. I am a wife, a stay-at-home mom of 4, and stepmom to 2. On my channel, you can find cleaning motivation videos, beauty videos, motherhood, and occasionally some DIYs. So if you like that content, I hope you consider subscribing. And to all my returning subscribers, thank you so much for coming back and checking out another video from your girl. So right here I am going to prepare some dishwater and proceed to wash these dishes. Moving on to my favorite part of cleaning is cleaning the sink. Who all likes cleaning the sink? I feel like that is a staple favorite for everybody who does cleaning videos because it's so satisfying. And I'm going to be using Mrs. Meyer's to clean a sink. Everything that I use will be down in the description bar down below as usual.
You're so much deeper when you quit playing charades. Yeah. You act so cool, but underneath you seem afraid. There's something sweet about your eyes when you feel safe. Yeah. You keep running away.
Okay, you guys, I'm going to go ahead and take a Clorox wipe and wipe down the Keurig, the countertops, to get rid of any germs just sitting there after cleaning with the regular rag, because my kids did come in here and do their chores. So I'm just going back behind and making sure that everything is wiped down and disinfected, and then I'm going to move on to cleaning the stove.
There's something juvenile about your pretty face, but it seems so hard for you to know when you need space. I hope you find your peace and that you get a taste with yourself. Oh, yeah. Let yourself unfold. owe it to yourself to dare. Just try to open up and show some.
Okay guys, I'm gonna go ahead and put the stove back together, put everything in its proper place, and then I'm gonna proceed to mop the floor. Now I did not have to sweep in this video because that was a part of my older son chore on this night. But what I'm going to be using to mop the floor is hot water and bleach. I did not show that, and this video is slowly coming to an end. I know, I'm so sorry. I'm going to miss all of you. So make sure you check out Raysa's channel. Thank you, Raysa, so much for doing this collaboration with me. She is just so super sweet and so funny. She be having me cracking up. But thank you guys. If you are coming from Raysa's channel, thank you so much for being here. Thank you to all my returning subscribers for coming out and hanging out with me for another cleaning motivational video. I hope you got what you needed to get done in your home. And as always, my lovelies, I will see you guys in my next one.
Standing on the edge while you're looking down, flying down on the ground just to find out. You fly so fly, don't ya? Keep riding skies, won't ya? Standing on the edge while you're looking down, fly down on the ground just to find out. You fly so fly, don't ya? Keep riding skies. To yourself, to dare. Just try to open up and show someone you care. It might not be intentional, but you seem scared. I long for that feeling.